Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to enable Vanish Mode on Messenger. So to do that, let's head over to the Messenger application first. Once in there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account. And this might take a while to log in. So as you can see, I've logged into my account, and what I'm gonna do is to open a specific chat. So let's say this one. So once I do it, I will just swipe up. And as you can see, I can't do this now, but here I can just swipe up, or let's say in a asset section. So there might be an option in here, sorry, you have conference. So you just have to swipe on the app and you will find the option of enabling vanish mode, and then you have to turn it off. So yeah, this is how easily you can enable vanish mode on Messenger. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.